Watch this recording, this video, this investigative news piece that appeared on a Nevada television station, Channel 13, out of Nevada, around Las Vegas, about the opioid epidemic plaguing the state of Nevada and other counties in Nevada, as well as the United States. Watch this. It's worth watching. These pharmaceutical companies need to be held accountable.
This is the worst domestic crisis of our lifetime, and we had to do something about it. The conduct these pharmaceutical companies and distributors have engaged in is no better than the conduct of a Central or South American drug cartel. They're doing the same thing. Because this stuff was kept secret until recently, people didn't know the amount of drugs that were being pumped into their communities. Keep them coming, flying out of here. It's like people are addicted to these things or something. Oh wait, people are. And this is his response. Just like Doritos, keep eating, we'll make more. That's how flippant they were about this. Churchill County, up in northern Nevada, a rural county with only 24,000 people in the county. Over the 7-year period between 2006 and 2007, they shipped almost 12 million dosage units of opiates into that community. There is no way under any scenario 24,000 people could absorb that many opiates. Even if every single one of those people were on opiates in the communities, every man, woman, and child, they couldn't absorb that in that amount of time, which means one thing: these drugs are being diverted. This is a clear sign they're being diverted from the legal to the illegal market. Douglas County, with a population of 46,000 people over this 7-year period, 19.5 million dosage units shipped into this community. Elko County, with a population of 51,000 people, over 14 million dosage units shipped into that community over that short period of time. You got Humboldt County, 17,000 people, 5,100,000 dosage units shipped in during that period of time. You got Lincoln County with 5,300 people living in that county. You got over 1.8 million pills, and there's one pharmacy in that community. And it's not like it's in a place where, Lincoln County is here and there's all these other populated communities around it, so you might have those people go to that pharmacy for their drugs. Lincoln County's out in the middle of nowhere. There's nothing around it. And there's 5,200 people living in the community, and they're shipping 1.85 million dosage units of these drugs in there to one pharmacy. If that's not a clear sign that diversion's going on, I don't know what is. And this has been kept secret from the public for decades. For decades. So they didn't know about this public hazard ravaging our state from top to bottom, from county to county and city to city, addicting our community and causing all the problems that have resulted. Nye County is unbelievable what they've done to Nye County. You won't even believe these numbers. Nye County has a population of 43,000 people, and over this 7-year period, they shipped just short of 34 million dosage units of these drugs into that community. And it's no wonder Nye County has been ravaged. That community has been ravaged by this epidemic and this crisis caused purposely, as you've seen from some of these memos, because keep them selling. They're just like Doritos. People must be addicted to these things. Oh yeah, they are, ha ha ha. Like it's funny. That's what they've done to our state. That's what they've done to Clark County. That's what they've done to each one of our counties in this state. But having a child or a parent or a sibling become addicted, a coworker, a friend, someone they go to church with, someone they socialize with, they've seen this happen, and they've seen the devastating effects that it has on families. Aside from the number of people it's killed, aside from the massive amounts of addiction and pain and suffering and distress it's caused, it has blown apart businesses. It's destroyed medical practices. It's destroyed professionals in their practices because they become addicted. I've seen people lose their marriages over this, lose their children. I've seen children from affluent families end up on the street homeless and addicted to heroin because they start on opiates, and prescription opiates is the gateway drug to heroin. And there needs to be a day of reckoning for these pharmaceutical opiate manufacturers and distributors. They need to pay and compensate for the damages that they have devastated our communities with.
If you like this video, I will leave a link below the video in the description as well as in the comment section for you to read the entire investigative news article below the video. Look for it. Thank you.